Here's Arvin Dugo looking for the leader. Here come Tensile Strength now for the outside. Lord of War, Harinang Yambo and Magna Carta. Passing the 300-meter mark pose, Arvin Dugo being joined by Tensile Strength. Magna Carta now running in third. Down in fourth is Lord of War and Harinang Yambo. And into the straight, they travel is Tensile Strength and Arvin Dugo. Arvin Dugo just in front, Tensile Strength. 2 lengths back, Lord of War, Harinang Yambo and Magna Carta passing the winning post. It's Arvin Dugo just in front, around the outside, Tensile Strength. 2 lengths back now, Harinang Yambo, Lord of War and Magna Carta keeping the rear. Out the straight they travel, Arvin Dugo leads Balang, followed by Tensile Strength. 2 lengths back now, Harinang Yambo. Here comes Magna Carta and Lord of War now trailing the group. Into the back they travel, Arvin Dugo still in front, Balang, followed by Tensile Strength. Harinang Yambo try to get close now in third, Magna Carta. Here comes Lord of War. Nearing the last 600, Arvin Dugo. Here comes Tensile Strength, not the outsider. Inside the last 600, Tensile Strength. Now in front, Balang, followed by Arvin Dugo and Magna Carta on the outside as they hit the final turn. With Tensile Strength leads by some 4 lengths now, followed by Magna Carta. Arvin Dugo running in third, Harinang Yambo and Lord of War, but still Tensile Strength leads by some 5 over Magna Carta, and finally Tensile Strength. Magna Carta, Arvin Dugo, Lord of War, and Harinang Yambo comes in last.
Napakabuti ngayon ito. Tensile Strength talaga. Pick siya.